Before you decide to buy Contentworks AI, there are a few things you should know. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 essential points that will help you make an informed choice, and we'll also compare it to other generative AI tools available today. The first thing you need to know about Contentworks AI is its focus on content creation. It's designed to generate high-quality written content quickly, but it's not as versatile as some competitors. Other AI platforms like Jasper or Copy.ai might offer more customization, making them more appealing for businesses with very specific content needs. Next thing to note is the user interface. Contentworks AI is pretty straightforward and easy to navigate, which is great for beginners. However, if you're used to more advanced features from other tools, such as Grammarly or Writer, Contentworks AI may feel a bit too basic. It lacks some of the finer editing tools you might expect from higher-tier competitors. The third thing is the pricing structure. Contentworks AI offers competitive rates, but there's a catch. While it's cheaper than tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, it doesn't come with as many advanced features. If you're just looking for basic content generation, the cost might be worth it. However, for more complex needs, you might find better value with a more premium option. The fourth thing is the quality of content generated. While Contentworks AI does a decent job, the output may not always be as polished as that from industry-leading platforms. Jasper and Copy.ai tend to generate more refined content, often requiring less editing, while Contentworks AI may require additional tweaking for perfection. Next, we have the content variety. Contentworks AI focuses on articles, blog posts, and similar content types, but it doesn't have as wide a variety of templates and use cases as Jasper, which excels in things like email copy, social media posts, and more. So if you need a broader range of content, Contentworks AI might feel limiting. The sixth point is the AI's learning curve. For those new to generative AI, Contentworks AI offers a relatively easy start. But again, if you're looking for something with more depth, other tools may offer more advanced capabilities, such as SEO optimization, keyword analysis, and deeper integration with other platforms. The seventh thing to consider is the support and community. Contentworks AI has customer support, but it's not as robust or extensive as some competitors. Tools like Jasper and Writer have thriving communities and more support channels, which is a big plus when you encounter issues or need guidance. The eighth thing is integration. Contentworks AI offers basic integrations, but it doesn't integrate as smoothly with third-party tools compared to others like Copy.ai, which offers a wide range of plugin options. If you're looking to connect to your CRM, social media platforms, or analytics tools seamlessly, you might want to look elsewhere. Next, we need to talk about its SEO capabilities. Unlike other AI platforms that focus heavily on SEO optimization, Contentworks AI doesn't do as much in this department. If SEO content is a major part of your strategy, you'll find better options with tools like Jasper that include advanced SEO features. The 10th point to consider is the language support. Contentworks AI is primarily designed for English content, and while it offers limited support for other languages, it doesn't compare to competitors like Copy.ai, which support a wider range of languages, including Spanish, French, and German. The 11th thing is the editing tools. While Contentworks AI generates content efficiently, it doesn't have the same advanced editing features that platforms like Grammarly or even Writer offer. If you need tools that help polish your content with advanced grammar and style checks, this might be a downside. Lastly, let's talk about the free trial. Contentworks AI offers a trial, but unlike other platforms that allow more flexibility or a better range of features during the trial period, Contentworks AI has more limited access. If you're looking for a tool that gives you full access up front, you may want to explore other free trials in the market. In conclusion, Contentworks AI is a solid option for those who need basic content generation at a competitive price, but it may not be the best fit if you require more advanced features or versatility. If you're after a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.